Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is NURSYAFITIE binti ROSLI and I'm going to present to you about our article. So if you look at the first article, the title is Challenges of Record Keeping for Nkobo Small, Micro and Medium Business in the South Africa. So from the article, we know that record keeping is important for small, micro and medium business in the worldwide, not only in the South Africa. It will improve the business performance, productivity and also the decision making. However, many small business in Nkobo, South Africa did not practice the proper record keeping as they could not understand and lack of knowledge of the record keeping process, and the record keeping process is important to the business. Hence, to enhance the record keeping, business can offer training or create user-friendly system that could provide affordable software and seek professional advice. Moreover, technology such as automated record capture and also cloud storage could also be used to simplify the bookkeeping process. Therefore, the study suggests to improve education by teaching basic record keeping in the subjects such as accountancy and business studies at the primary or secondary school levels. This could help small, micro, medium business to maintain their better records. Next, for the second article, the analysis of the impact of accountant records keeping on the performance of the small-scale enterprise. And this article emphasized that bookkeeping and accounting may seem challenging for the new business owners. However, their main purpose for the bookkeeping are to keep tabs on the income and the expenses for better financial management and to collect the necessary financial data for taxes purposes. There are not strict rules for maintaining records as long as the data is accurately represented in the business finance. But they may have to choose between the cash or the accrual accounting method. An accounting system also important for the recording and also the handling financial information that relate to income, expenses, asset, liabilities and also equity. Furthermore, accounting has a significant impact on both society and also business, such as supporting functions like planning, organization and also control. So, by having the access to the accounting information, it is important for the business success as sometimes small business may hire unskilled accounting staff that could result in the unreliable records and the financial statement. This could make it difficult to accurately assess a business profit or loss and may even lead to the business problems or failure.
Now, I will talk about the third article, that is an exploration of accountability practice in non-governmental organization from Malaysian's perspective. So, for this article, emphasize the importance of international NGOs in their accountability commitment toward all the branch all over the world. This is because most of the rule and regulation, system and flow, governance, formulation and implementation of strategy are set by their main organization. Next, the article explains that the accountability practice are applied in NGOs through the use of these 5 tools. The first tool is organization rules and regulation. This tool involves the development of rules and regulation that guide the organization operation and ensure that all members adhere to them. Second, the accountability report and disclosure. This is tool that involve the preparation of accounting report and disclosure that provide information about the organization financial performance and ensure transparency and accountability. For the third tool, that is the performance evaluation assessment. This tool involves the assessment of the organization performance to identify areas that need improvement and ensure that the organization is meeting its objective. Now, I will talk about the fourth article, that is implementation of the principle of financial governance in service companies. In this article, the paper found that the implementation of the 5 principles of financial governance can improve the company's operational capabilities and accountability to the congregation. The principles include independence, bonding and saving, setting package and fees, pay-go, account record, and empowerment. The principle of financial governance that can be used to guide the design of service organization are accountability, efficiency, transparency, legitimacy, and inclusiveness. The paper argued that the implementation of this principle can help companies providing Hajj and Umrah service to maintain financial stability and ensure funds for the various business activity. Therefore, financial governance is crucial for the long-term sustainability and success for the company provide Haji and Umrah service. The similarity of this all article. Number first is important of financial management. All four articles emphasize the significance of effective financial management practice, whether it's record keeping, accounting, financial governance, or accountability. They are recognized that proper financial management is crucial for the success and sustainability of organization. The second similarities in this article, that role of accounting, that three of the article, that Article 2, Article 3, and Article 4, that highlight the role of accounting in financial management and accountability practice. Accountability principle and financial reporting are considered essential for the ensuring transparency and informed decision making. The third similarities is the recommendation for the improvement. All four articles provide the recommendation or suggestion for improving the financial management and accountability practice. These recommendations are tailored to the specific context of the article, whether it's for small business, NGO, or company providing the specialist service. The last similarities is the education aspect. In the all the article touch on the importance of education and training. It suggests the introduction, record keeping education at the primary and secondary level, and recommend the training for the small business owner.
Next, the differences in the article is mainly highlighted within four aspects, which is focus, main point, geographic, and also recommendation. So in summary of these four articles, it differs in the specific focus, context, and also recommendation. Article 1 and Article 2 mostly address a small business, while Article 3 and 4 delve into the unique aspect of NGOs and companies providing religious pilgrimage service respectively. The geographic and industry context also varies, with Article 4 specifically addressing Muslim majority countries. The specific recommendations and the future research directions reflect the distinctive aspects of each article's subject matters. Next, the relation of the first article with the subject. So for the first article, it highlights on the importance of proper record keeping in the management of business records and accounting. It also emphasized on the importance of keeping good relationship between records managers and also archivists to address the issue of the life cycles of the records. The articles recommend that small business can improve the record-keeping practice by providing training and education to the business owner and employers. Therefore, the article provides valuable insights into the management of the business records and also accounting for small businesses. Moreover, for the second article, it emphasizes on the importance of proper accounting records keeping for small-scale enterprise and also provides recommendations for small business owners to improve their accounting practices and increase their chances of success. The study shows that accounting records keeping is essential for decision-making, business adjustment, and also improving business efficiency and productivity for the effective business performance. It also highlights the relationship between accounting records keeping and also resource allocation, performance planning, and control of cash in the business. So in overall, the article provides valuable information on how proper management of business records and accounting can positively impact on the performance of the small-scale enterprise.
In the third article, it does mention that NGOs use accounting report and disclosure as a tool to develop and achieve their organization accountability practice. This tool involves the preparation of accounting report and disclosure that they provide information about the organization financial performance and ensure the transparency and accountability. The NGO use accounting report and disclosure to provide information about their financial activity and to demonstrate their accountability to the stakeholder. The accounting report and disclosure can help NGO to monitor their financial performance and to identify areas where they need to improve their accountability practice. Therefore, accounting plays a crucial role in the accountability practice of NGO. Now, for the fourth article that is related to the accounting subject in several ways. Firstly, it highlights the importance of implementing financial governance principle in the companies provide Haji and Umrah service, which can improve their financial management practice. This is relevant to accounting students who are studying financial management and accounting principle. Secondly, the article discussed the importance of bookkeeping and accounting record in the financial management. It provides an example of how a company records its financial transaction using Excel and how it groups its expenses into the different accounts. This can be useful for the accounting students who are learning about the bookkeeping and accounting record. Finally, this fourth article emphasizes the importance of financial reporting and the preparation of financial statement, such as balance sheet and income statement. This is relevant to the accounting student who are studying financial reporting and analysis. Overall, this article provides the valuable insight into the practical application of accounting principles in the context of financial governance in service company. So, in a conclusion, we need to emphasize for a holistic view of the accountability and the importance of choosing a proper accountability mechanism to minimize the failure in achieving the organization mission. It provides a valuable insight into the practical application of accounting principles in the context of financial governance in the service company.
So, to conclude all the articles, the study reveals that small businesses that keep proper accounting records are more likely to sustain in the business. The study also shows that there is a significant relationship between accounting records keeping and small-scale firm performance. Small businesses can gain several benefits from keeping proper accounting records, such as increasing chances of business success, better control of cash inflow and outflow, improving decision-making, reduce operation costs, and also increase the efficiency and also the productivity of the business.